Facial recognition systems are increasingly being integrated into security protocols to protect critical infrastructure. Facial recognition systems can control access to sensitive areas by ensuring only authorized personnel are allowed entry. These systems can verify identities in real time, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, the security of critical infrastructure, including everything from perimeter monitoring and access control to video surveillance, has become paramount. The integration of the Internet of Things and biometric technologies has revolutionized security measures, with facial recognition technology emerging as a frontrunner due to its precision, universality, and unique capabilities. Facial recognition systems can identify individuals with high accuracy, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Advances in AI and machine learning have enhanced the precision of these systems, making them reliable for security applications. It is time for strengthening the security ecosystems across sectors through the increased adoption of facial recognition systems. Critical infrastructure is the greatest asset for the acceleration of economies. Without it, there cannot be stable growth. Secondly, facial recognition can identify individuals in real time, allowing for immediate responses to potential security threats. This capability is crucial for monitoring large areas and managing access in real time. The technology can scale to cover vast areas and large numbers of individuals, making it suitable for critical infrastructure with high traffic and extensive perimeters. Moving forward, facial recognition can be integrated with video surveillance systems to monitor and identify individuals approaching or breaching perimeters. This enhances security by providing real time alerts and tracking potential intruders. Facial recognition technology offers a robust solution for securing critical infrastructure, providing precise, non intrusive, and scalable security measures. However, it is essential to address privacy concerns and technological challenges to fully realize the benefits of this powerful tool. Let's look into today's headlines. Google promotes Sanjay Gupta as APAC president. Sanjay Gupta, who is the present country manager India for Google, has been elevated as the president for Asia Pacific. Gupta has also worked at Bharti Airtel as the chief marketing officer in mobility and left it to join Star India as its chief operating officer in 2009. According to a source, Roma Datta Chobe will be the interim head of the large customer sales team. She is presently the managing director for Google India. Meta AI is now multilingual and is available in 22 countries. Meta AI is now available in 22 countries, with the newest additions being Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Mexico, Peru, and Cameroon. Users can also interact with Meta AI across WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and Facebook in new languages, that is Hindi Romanized script, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish, with more to come. Meta AI has enhanced people's daily routines and been a creative partner to lean on. Microsoft unveils AI powered Bing search features. Microsoft has announced a big update to Bing search by introducing AI to it. The new Bing AI search feature is currently available to a limited number of users. It integrates AI generated answers directly on the search page. The updated Bing search page will feature an AI generated answer at the top. According to Microsoft, these answers are produced by large and small language models, that is LLMs and SLMs, that have reviewed millions of sources. Apple Maps, available on web as part of public beta. As part of the public beta, Apple has announced the launch of its Maps service on the web for the first time. Users can access Apple Maps on the web using Safari and Chrome on Mac and iPad, and Chrome and Edge on Windows PCs. This has assumed significance as for a long time Apple Maps services have been exclusively available on Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches. The Reserve Bank of India tightens rules for domestic money transfers. In order to keep track of both cash pay in and payout services, the Reserve Bank of India has tightened the framework for domestic money transfers. In a circular issued, the Reserve Bank of India stated that in the case of cash payout service, the remitting bank shall obtain and keep a record of the name and address of the beneficiary. In the case of cash paying service, the remitting banks or business correspondents shall register the remitter based on a verified cell phone number. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.